Today, I'm going to explain to you guys about trade union. Trade union is an organization that established by Global Textiles Ltd that is formed with a view of protecting and promoting the interests of our workers. Next, a continuous association of wages earns for the purpose of maintaining or improving the condition of our employees' working force. Last, aims to address issue that is unfair wages, excessive overtime and lack of workplace safety, which can lead to dissatisfaction amongst employees. Next, I will explain to you guys about objective of trade union. First, we have improvement of working. As employer, we must focus of healthy and safety to ensuring the workers have safe, hygienic, and healthy working environment. Next, agronomics. We have improving workplace and machinery to prevent strain and injury. Next, we have fair salary and benefit. As employee, we have worked overtime, right? So, as employer, we must pay the employees overtime pay, ensuring that workers are compensated for overtime and extra hour work. Next, another benefits. According that benefits such as healthy care, pet leave, retirement plans, and other welfare programs. Our third objective of trade union is job security, preventing a just termination to make sure that employees are not unfairly fired or subjected to arbitrary layoffs. Next, protection against exploitation. To protect workers from exploitation as expensive hours or unsafe working condition. Our fourth objective of trade union supporting workers' right comply with workers' right law, ensuring that companies comply with local and international labor law includes working hours, child labor, discriminations, and others' rights. Next, equality and fair service, combating discriminations based on gender, race, religions, or any other form of unfair treatments. Our fifth objective, employees development and trainings. Our company promoting opportunity for workers to upskills, attend training sessions, and development professionally within a textile industry. Next, career growth, ensuring that employees have pathways for advancement and promotion based on merit. Our last objective of trade unions is social community welfare. To engage in social programs that benefit the local community, workers, family, or broader society. Next, corporate social responsibility CSR to ensure the companies takes on responsibility towards the environment, the local community, and ethical business practice.
This is members that eligible to join. The first one is full-time employee. Full-time employee is a permanent employee working full-time hours are usually eligible to join. as they are most affected by company policies and working conditions. The next one is part-time and temporary employees. Part-time temporary employees is someone who works fewer hours than a full-time employee, typically fewer than 35 until 50 hours per week. Many unions allow part-time and temporary employees to join as they face issues like job security, fair wages, and working conditions. The third one is contract workers. Contract workers is an individuals hired to perform specific tasks or project for a set period based on formal agreement or contract. Some unions represent contract or freelance workers, particularly in industry where these types of employment are common. The fourth one is seasonal workers. This type of employment is common in industry where business volume fluctuates according the season, holidays, or specific events.
Reason why workers need to register as members. First is participation. Unions negotiate for stronger protections in employment contracts, ensuring workers have a voice in their terms of work. This could include overtime paid, paid leave, health benefits, and retirement plans. Second is job security. Trade unions help protect workers from unfair dismissal and ensure due process is followed when disputes arise. Unions can intervene in cases of wrongful termination or unsafe working condition, offering legal support and representation. The last one is legal support. If a worker faces a disciplinary issue or conflict with their employer, unions can represent them in grievance procedures, making sure their rights are upheld. Methods of industrial action that workers might consider. A picket would involve employees gathering outside the company's premise with signs, banners, or leaflets to peacefully protest these issues. By picketing, the workers can draw attention to their concerns, potentials influencing public opinion and pressuring management to address their demands.
The second one is strike. Strike could be an impactful industrial action that workers might consider to demand fair wages, manageable working hours, and safer working conditions. If the employee decide to go on strike, they would stop all work activities, which could disrupt production and pressure management to address their grievance.
And the first for method industrial dispute is direct negotiation, which is both unions and the management will come together to discuss their concern openly and propose solution. This allows both sides, unions and the management, to reach an agreement without involving external parties while keeping the process simple and cost effective. The beneficials of this method is it promotes cooperation, help maintain a positive work environment, and resolve conflict quickly, which is important for both employees and the company productivity. The second one, method industrial dispute is mediation, which is a neutral third party involved in this method to facilitate discussion between the union and the management. Mediator helps both parties understand each other's positions, encourage compromise, and explore possible solutions, but they do not impose a decision. This method helps avoid conflict increase into strike or other industrial action, allowing both employees and management to work towards a solution that benefits both sides while maintaining a harmonious workplace. The third one is conciliation. where the third parties help the two side, union and management, to find common ground and encourages them to reach settlement. Conciliator can help the gap between what the workers want and what the company is willing to offer, allowing both sides to compromise without bringing the conflict to strikes on legal battle. Less formal than arbitration, but still help prevent conflict from dragging on and maintaining a good relationship between employees and management. Conciliator also plays a more active role than in mediation, offering suggestions or proposals for resolving the conflict. The last one method is arbitration. A neutral third party, the arbitrator, is appointed to hear both sides of the dispute and make final decision. If direct negotiation and mediation fail to resolve this issue, the union and management can request arbitration as a last solution. This method offers a conclusive solution which helps to resolve dispute without strike or further disruption, while ensuring that workers' rights are protected and the company can continue its operations smoothly. This method is different from mediation because the arbitrator decision is final and must be followed by both parties.